My dear writers, today I'm giving you 5 steps, essential steps for writing English. If you do not take these 5 steps, you will be never able to write a great essay. Now, step number 1 is to understand the definition of essay. What is an essay and what is not an essay? I will be speaking a bit rapidly, so you can listen to this video more than one time, 4 5 times, so that you can understand, because I have to keep it 5 minutes and 5 steps. So, definition of an essay is that essay is a short literary composition of analytical, expository, argumentative, descriptive, narrative style in which the author presents his or her own life perspective in a non technical, non systematic way. So, here, your own life experiences, your own observations, your own ideas, your own thoughts, your own subjectivity, your own understanding of life, you present not in so technical scientific way, not in so organized systematic way, and you are literary, as well as it is a short composition. You can be analytical, you can be argumentative, and you can be descriptive, you can be expository. Expository means that you can explain things, depends on the topic. The second step is that you must understand the terminology of essay writing, different terms, because essay is not any writing. There are different terms that we use for essay writing, like essay format. Essay must have one introductory paragraph, one conclusion paragraph, and many body paragraphs. This is the technicality of essay writing. Introduction, that you can describe the topic, introduce the topic in whatever way you want, and then when you reach to the last sentence of your introductory paragraph, there you make thesis statement. Thesis statement means topic plus my standpoint, my argument. For example, rural life, urban life. So you can introduce both urban and rural life in introduction paragraph, and then now you have to take a position. What will be your position in the body paragraphs, whether urban life or rural life? If it is urban life, so you make a thesis statement that because of the educational, transportational, health, and other facilities, I prefer urban life. And then now this thesis statement you have to explain in the body paragraphs. Another term in essay, that is topic sentence. Now, topic sentence is usually the first sentence of each paragraph. Each paragraph must have unity. Unity means that there should be one topic sentence, and then you illustrate, you explain that topic sentence in that very paragraph. So in each paragraph, one idea you can explain. You cannot mix different ideas in one paragraph. And each topic sentence must be connected to thesis statement. Now, another technicality, that is coherence and cohesion. Coherence and cohesion means that psychologically there should be one idea in the essay. One idea. This is called coherence. For example, urban life, rural life. So your whole essay should go around this idea of rural or urban life. You cannot mix other things. This, because that is the main focus of your thesis statement. This is called coherence. Cohesion means that your paragraphs, your sentences should be physically attached to each other. It should not be jumbled. There should be logic. Logic should also be in the idea as well as in the language. There should be system. There should be information-based arguments, so that your essay appears cohesive, coherent. It appears as one whole, systematic, like a body, like an organ. It is not disjointed. It is not disorganized. It is not like you are jumping here and there. So these are some of the terminologies which are particularly used in essay writing, which you must understand. This is step number 2. Step number 3 is usually people have to write for hours and hours, like 3 hours, 2 hours on one topic. So you need a lot of information, data, knowledge, your academic writing and your personal experiences, your observations, your likes, your dislikes, your own critical thinking, your own analysis, then you can write for such a long time. As it is subjectivity, it is personality based writing, so you cannot just learn by rote, or you can collect some facts and figures from here and there and then you make an essay. No, that is a wrong way, because examiner specially focuses where is your understanding, where is your personality, your observations, your analysis, your data. You have to take some technical data, that is no doubt very very important, but that you have to mix that data with your own understanding, with your own observations, because this is the test of your personality, this is the test of your creativity. Step number 4, that is very very technical and important, and that is literary figures, literary devices, rhetorical devices, figures of speech, simile, metaphor, personification, synecdoche. You can Google it. Figures of speech. You have to mix idioms, proverbs, quotations, all literary devices in your essay. You cannot write just technically. For example, it is a population and you write the demographics, you just write the technical details of on population and that will be an essay. No, there should be a difference between when you write population in sociology and when you write population on your essay. So these things are very very important, that you must give it literary touch. Now the last thing, step number 5, you must have professional guidance. Someone must see, evaluate, check your essays so that you are in proper direction or not. We have safe online classes, self-actualization foundation. You can search in Facebook, and you can also have our different Naemics page, NAEEMICS. So you can ask me there how you can join our classes for professional guidance, because if some professional guides you, then your efforts, then your struggle, that becomes streamlined, then you have a proper way that how you should proceed. If you are doing hit and run or trial and error, sometimes you make an error, sometimes you try, we people are not creative. This is my conclusion. The problem is that if you are creative, if you are intellectual, if you are really academic, then you do not need any professional guidance. But the problem is that our educational system, it does not encourage creativity, critical thinking, personality development, and originality. People have a lot of issues. That's why they need some mentor, some teacher, some guide, a person who can professionally guide you that how you can make your essays. So if you take all these 5 steps together, then you will be a great essay writer. Understand what is an essay, the definition of essay. So you are not writing just writing. You must know that you are going to write an essay. Then you must know the different technicalities of an essay, because essay is not just writing. It must have introduction, body paragraphs, conclusion, thesis statement, topic sentences, coherence, cohesion, connecting words. There must be, proper essay language, which we will be explaining to you in our essay classes in detail. And then your knowledge, data, personality, experiences, observations, your having a lot of academic background, because you have to write for a long time. So you must have a lot of practice, a lot of observations, a lot of data, a lot of information, knowledge, so that philosophical touching, so that you can multi-dimensionally write. You can define, you can introduce, you can analyze the topic from different angles, not from one angle. And then your literary devices, your rhetorical devices, and professional guidance. So when all these 5 things are together, then you can be a great essay writer. Otherwise, it is very, very difficult. So I hope you like this short video. I will be sharing more videos also. I may be writing and speaking on each and every dimension that I explained today. But today, you must determine, do you have the 5 prerequisites? Do you understand what is an essay? How essay is different from other social sciences, natural sciences, mathematics, philosophy? Essay is a particular genre of literature. It is not like any writing. You must know essay writing must be different from other types of writing. And then your observations, experiments, your academic knowledge, and then your essay format. that essay is not like in writing anything. There must be outlines. There's a particular structure, format of essay that you must understand. And then your, as I said, your academic literature observations and your personality, plus your literature, your literary devices, rhetorical devices, and professional guidance. Thank you very much.